Hey everyone, today we'll be taking a look at some affordable knives that use one of our favorite tool steels, D2, and they're all available at KnifeCenter.com. D2 is one of the most enduring alloys in the knife making industry. It's a versatile, high-carbon, air-hardening tool steel that is defined by its effective combination of wear resistance, durability, performance, and price. And while not a true stainless steel, it does have enough chromium in it to offer some decent corrosion resistance as well. Once only available on high-end blades, D2 has been trickling down into more affordable territory, and lately we've been seeing a rush of high-value folders around the $50 range that are very impressive. Here are some of our KnifeCenter favorites. Leading the charge for great D2 knives at the sub $50 price point is Steel Will. They feature a ton of different flippers in this category, but we especially like the Modus, which has a modified sheepsfoot working blade, and the Intrigue Series, which has a more refined profile, with a slender drop point blade and a narrow, easy-to-carry frame. Aside from D2 steel, both knives feature a liner lock and FRN handle scales that are available in multiple color options. These knives are great for everyday carry. Another set of affordable D2 knives that we're big fans of is the Ontario Rat series. Both the Model 1 and Model 2 are available for under $50. With easy-to-use thumb studs and two different blade lengths, these knives are excellent for EDC, outdoor, or in the case of the Rat 1, even tactical use. All thanks to solid construction, drop point blade styles, and that hard-working D2 steel. These knives use FRN handles with a light texture, which makes them comfortable to use, and the sturdy liner lock gives you the confidence to really work with this knife. Similar to the Rat, you can get a knife like the Essie Avispa. This knife follows a similar formula to the Ontario by utilizing FRN for the handle and a flat ground blade with that great D2 steel. Like the Rat, the Avispa also has a 4-position pocket clip to cater to any carry preference. The major difference with the Avispa is the use of a steel frame lock that makes for even more security and a slimmer carry. It's a great option to have in your survival bag or to swap in and out of your EDC rotation. Another brand making a big splash in the budget-friendly knife space is Bestech. They've been changing our outlook on what a $50 knife should be by using great materials with smooth action and rock-solid performance. One of their D2 designs that we love is the Swordfish, which is rocking a gorgeous 4-inch blade with a full-length swedge and a 2-tone G10 handle. This is one of those knives that seems like a much more expensive knife in hand, and the fact that you can get it for just a hair over $50 is astonishing. This knife joins a slew of D2 folders from Bestech right around that $50 mark, including the Warwolf, the Scimitar flipper, the Kendo models, the Lion and Grampus flippers, and more. You can find all of them at KnifeCenter.com. Another great brand offering high-performing materials like G10 and D2 at insanely low prices is Artisan Cutlery. Their Shark model is one of our favorites thanks to the sleek design, snappy flipping action, and unbeatable value. In addition to the Shark, Artisan Cutlery also offers several other great series of knives in this price range with D2 blades, such as the Classic, the Waistline, the Virginia, the Tradition, and several others. And don't forget about the Osprey, a D2 folding cleaver that is sure to wow your friends. Lastly, we'd like to show you V-Knives from Mike Vellecamp and their D2 offerings close to the $50 mark. The only knives that feature a lockback mechanism on this list, these blades pair a proven locking system with FRN handles for traction. The Rocky sports a wickedly sharp Wharncliffe profile, and the Rocky 2 features an aggressive clip point, available with or without a partially serrated blade. If you want to set your sights a little higher than $50, there are some awesome knives available there too. Be sure to check out the Italian-made folders from Lion Steel, the Brous Blades import line, and Hiroaki Ota friction folders from Japan, all available at KnifeCenter. The fact that we're able to sell such a fine steel like D2 at such budget-friendly prices is a great thing for everyone. Whether you need a hard-working blade or just want to spruce up your EDC rotation, you can find all these knives and tons more over at KnifeCenter.com. To get your hands on any of these highly competitive D2 knives, click the link in the description below. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up with all our knife-related content. In the meantime, don't forget to visit the original and best online catalog of cutlery at KnifeCenter.com. And check back often to see what deals we're running on the best knives and tools on the web.